This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use upper lip wax strips. First, ensure your upper lip area is completely clean and dry. Any makeup, oils, or lotions can prevent the wax from adhering properly. If your hairs are longer than about 1/4 inch, gently trim them down. This preparation step is crucial for effective hair removal and to minimize irritation, setting the stage for a smooth and successful waxing experience. Now, let's apply the strip. Take a wax strip and warm it between your palms for approximately 20 seconds. This makes the wax more pliable. Carefully separate the strip into 2 individual pieces. Take one piece and firmly press it onto one side of your upper lip, ensuring it covers the hair you want to remove. Smooth it down several times in the direction of your hair growth to ensure good adhesion. For removal, hold your skin taut with one hand just below the strip. With your other hand, grasp the end of the strip. In one swift, confident motion, pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Remember to pull parallel to your skin, not straight up, to reduce discomfort and prevent breakage. Repeat this process for the other side of your upper lip. Finally, for post-wax care, use a specialized post-waxing wipe or a little oil to gently remove any sticky wax residue. Then, apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm your skin and reduce redness. For at least 24 hours, avoid applying makeup, direct sun exposure, and hot showers to prevent irritation. This helps your skin recover beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.